The Logitech K845 is an excellent budget option for those seeking a mechanical keyboard for productivity. At under $60, it offers a full-sized layout with a minimalist design that will complement any desk setup. The keyboard features an aluminum top plate, adding a premium touch to its overall aesthetic and feel. You have the choice between 3 switch types: red, blue, or brown, all made by TTC. The red switches are linear, the blue ones offer a clicky tactile feel, and the brown switches provide a tactile experience without the click. These switches are rated for an impressive 50 million clicks, ensuring durability and longevity. The molded keycaps are comfortable and sturdy, although the font may not be to everyone's taste. One notable upgrade from its predecessor, the K840, is the addition of white backlighting with various patterns and brightness levels. This feature enhances visibility, especially in low-light conditions, and is a welcome addition at this price point. While the K845 lacks RGB lighting and may not feel as solid as more expensive keyboards, it still provides an excellent typing experience. The plastic shell and lightweight design of 1.72 pounds might not match the premium feel of higher-end keyboards, but it's a small trade-off for the cost. For just $20 more, you can opt for the K845CH models, which feature the renowned Cherry MX switches in red or blue. These models offer a slightly more premium experience without breaking the bank. Overall, the Logitech K845 is an impressive budget mechanical keyboard. It strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient typing experience without sacrificing too much on features or quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.